मंगलमूर्ति महाप्रभु श्री सहजानंद सुखरूप भक्ति धर्म सुत श्री हरि समरो सदाय अनूप। शिक्षापत्री सुंदरती तमे सांभळजो मुझ जन लखु वसी वरतालમાં આ છે છેલ્લા વચન આ છે છેલ્લા વચન
I, Sahajanand Swami, meditate in my heart upon Lord Shri Krishna, on whose left stands Radha, in whose bosom resides Lakshmi Ji, and who plays with his bhakts in Vrindavan. I, Sahajanand Swami, write this Shikshapatri, Gospel of Life Divine, from Vartal to all my followers residing in various regions. Ayodhya Prasad and Raghuveer, who have been installed by me as acharyas at Ahmedabad and Vartal, respectively, the sons of my brothers, Ram Pratap Ji and Ichha Ram Ji, born of Shri Dharmadev. All Naishthik Brahmacharis, Mukundanand and others, and all householders, Mayaram Bhatt and others, all who have become my followers, all females, married, including virgins, and widows, and all sadhus, Muktanand and others, all who have become my followers. all shall accept my blessings divine, blessings which protect their dharmas, which carry with them the divine memory of Shriman Narayan, and which are endorsed by the Shastras. All shall ponder deeply in their mind upon my object in writing this Shiksha Patri, which is to ensure ultimate good for all living beings. All those who follow the rules of good conduct as prescribed by the Shastras, such as Srimad Bhagavat, do indeed attain happiness both in this world and the world beyond. And all those who disregard them and behave according to their own whims are indeed evil-minded, and shall verily meet with great miseries in this life and in the life beyond. Therefore, you all, my followers, shall always follow the precepts of this Shiksha Patri with care and caution, and with love and sincerity. My followers shall never kill any living being under any circumstances, knowingly, not even small insects like lice or bedbugs. My followers shall never kill goats or other living beings, even for sacrifices performed for the propitiation of deities and pitris, that is, ancestors, for non-violence is declared by the Shastras as the highest dharma of all the dharmas. None shall ever kill a human being for obtaining a woman, wealth, or even empire by any means. None shall ever commit suicide, even in a place of pilgrimage, or through anger, or on account of some untoward action, by taking poison, or by hanging, or by jumping into a well, or from a hilltop, or by any other means. None shall, under any circumstances, eat meat, even if it be an offering of a sacrifice, or shall ever drink liquor or wine, even if it be from offering to a deity. When some untoward action is committed, either by oneself or by others, none shall, even through anger or excitement, cut off or mutilate one's limbs or limbs of other persons by means of any kind of a weapon. None shall ever commit theft, even for the sake of performing an act of dharma, Even articles such as firewood or flowers owned by others shall never be taken without their permission. All my followers, males and females, shall never commit adultery and gamble, nor cultivate such other bad habits, nor shall they eat or drink intoxicants like hemp or opium. None shall eat food prepared by a person, taking cooked food from whose hands is prohibited in the Shastras, or drink water from the vessels of such a person, even as a prasad, which is eatables offered to a deity of Sri Krishna in any place except at Jagannath Puri, where the prasad of Sri Jagannath Ji may be taken. None shall level false accusations against anyone, even for the sake of achieving some self-interest, or shall utter indecent words or abuses to others. None shall ever speak or hear ill of deities, places of pilgrimage, Brahmins, chaste women, sadhus, and the Vedas. None shall ever accept prasad of a deity to whom offerings of meat or liquor wine, or offerings mixed with meat or liquor wine are offered, or before whom goats or other living beings are sacrificed. When my followers, on their way, come across temples of Shiv and other deities, they shall bow down to them and have their darshan respectfully. None shall ever give up dharma of one's own varna, class, and ashram, nor shall practice dharma of persons of other varnas and ashrams, nor shall follow pseudo-dharma, which is against Vedas, or dharma propagated by hypocrites in the name of religion. None shall ever hear sermons, or religious discourses, or philosophical talks from a person whose words are likely to lead one astray from the path of devotion to Lord Sri Krishna, or from the path of one's own dharma. None shall betray anyone by telling even truth, which is likely to cause fatal misery to oneself or to others, and shall avoid the company of ungrateful persons, or shall ever accept illegal gratification or bribe from anybody.